So let us begin by learning how to address people. Listen carefully and repeat the Hindi form after me. I, मैं, we, हम, you has three forms: आप, तुम, तू. How you address a person in Hindi changes with the seniority and respect that you give them. So this is a sensitive issue and you need to be careful. If you are meeting a person for the first time, or if he is your senior, or he is an elderly person, it is highly recommended that you use the pronoun आप while addressing him or her. On the other hand, if you are familiar with the person, or he is a colleague or your equal, you can use the word तुम. Tu is reserved for people who are either very low in stature or between extremely good friends. Since you're traveling through, I recommend that you stick with आप or तुम. Again, you is आप, तुम, तू. आप, तुम, तू. He, she, it, this. If the person is close to you, you refer as ye. There is an aspiration. Ye. He, she, it, that. If they are far away, you refer to them as wo. For the plural forms, they and these, or if it is a man and you want to respect that person, you will say ye. For they and those, if they are far or for respect, you will say ve. Now listen to these sentences. You should be able to recognize the word मैं. Try to repeat them after me. The Hindi version only, yes. मैं जॉन हूँ. मैं जॉन हूँ. मैं अमेरिकन हूँ. मैं अमेरिकन हूँ. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. You would have noticed two things. One is that I am John in Hindi has become I, John, am. So the object John has been placed directly after the main subject, that is I. So I, John, am. I, American, am. I, doctor, am. I, ठीक, I am ठीक. So it is the subject verb object becomes subject object verb. And the second thing you will notice is that I am is मैं. There will be a noun or any other word in between and हूँ. So मैं जॉन हूँ, मैं अमेरिकन हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं and हूँ. I am is मैं हूँ.